Hey, what's up guys? It's Steven, and I had a thought. I've been thinking about all these Facebook posts and blogs and whatever forums online that I keep reading, all these doomers and gloomers saying that the next time to buy is in 6 months from now. That's when you need to buy, and you need to time this and time that, and that's when the opportunity is, and you'll make a crazy amount of money. And it gets me thinking, and I think back, and I say, wait a second, it doesn't work like that. That's not how you make money at all. None of this is actually true. And it brings me to the point of the video today, which is, when is the right time to buy? And the answer to this question is very simple. The right time to buy is when there is a good opportunity. It's not about what is the economic environment around you, it's do you have an opportunity in front of you or not? You see, when I was early on the come up in investing and I was online searching and hunting, there was no shortage of doomers and gloomers saying that recession is coming in 2019, recession of 2018, the real estate market is about to crash. And had I listened to them, they would have stopped me from investing. It would have caused a lot of fear. Fast forward to 2020, and then the amount of online influencers who are cryptocurrency investors or day traders or professional investors or so on just explodes because everybody got locked down. They got handed a bunch of government money, the stock market collapsed, and then there's nothing to do but I guess invest into equities. And so a lot of these people started buying stocks like Peloton, Pinterest, and Snapchat. And then this meteoric rise came out of it because there's so much volume flowing into it. And everybody all of a sudden thought that they were really good investors. Until you fast forward today and you look at those companies, and many of those people would be lucky to be just breaking even if they still owned it today. Because that wasn't the opportunity. Those companies weren't the opportunity, and the event or the economic circumstances weren't making them the opportunity. Instead, if they would have bought into companies like Marathon, Kroger, Wendy's, and so on, they could still own these companies today and have a significant appreciation in the value of their money. Those were the opportunities that the economic environment had created. And they were the opportunity because inherent within those companies is where the value lied. Now, you might say something to me about, well, look at the pullback in the market, look at how much extra money you made so quick, and look at, why not wait for something like that? And you'd be correct. The economic uncertainties or the developments of 2020 did accelerate by far the creation of wealth had you actually found the right opportunities. But somebody actually asked Warren Buffett this question once when he was given his annual Berkshire Hathaway shareholder meeting in Omaha, Nebraska. And they said, Mr. Buffett, you can make a ton more money in these economic pullback periods. So why not just wait for them? Why do you invest in the time in between? And he gave an answer similar to what I'm giving, which is, yes, you can make a lot of money a lot quicker when you have those economic pullbacks, but you never know when they're going to be. And there can be a sizable amount of time between each one and a lot of opportunity to make money in between those economic events anyways. For example, think of if you would have bought good cash flowing real estate in a good location in 2014, 2016, 2018, 2019, or so on. Even if you would have bought it in 2007, do you think you would have made money? Odds are if you bought a good asset in a good location that was cash flowing, today you probably would have made money and you probably would have made a lot. But if you were worried about timing and these doomers and gloomers, then maybe you would have passed on that opportunity. If you were waiting for the real estate market to pull back again like it did in 2008, you never got that opportunity. And so you gave up all of that money that you could have made by simply just looking for the asset, which is what I do as an investor every single day. Is I look for assets that are worth investing in, that are fairly priced, that are producing cash flow that I like, and if they're a fair price asset, I go and I buy them. Now, without getting into the weeds of what I think the economy is going to do next year, which is very hard, I don't like making predictions, and to be honest, I don't really know. I am watching all the same things that everybody else is with the yield curve inversion and inflation and so on. So I don't want this video to get construed as something like that. I simply want to address this issue of timing investments that these gurus keep bringing up. And I wanted to present the framework that I use to help me decide when to make an investment and if an investment is a good one or not, even with the economic uncertainty ahead. And ultimately, the underlying themes of the question of when is the right time to buy are fear and the desire to make money very easily and quickly. But I would say that if you want to make money, then you just need to be on the lookout for opportunities all the time. And if you're on the lookout for opportunities all the time, when you get one, pull the trigger, even with the economic uncertainty that's out there. And odds are, if it's a good opportunity, you'll do just fine. Either way, I hope this video gave you some insight, provided some value. If you liked it, please like, share, and subscribe. Help me build this YouTube channel. Help me get better at this and hopefully provide more value. And I will see you tomorrow. Thanks.